Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm trying to draw this very beautiful portrait, and I wanted to talk about a few things just while we draw. So, as you can see that first of all I want to point out that I drew the nose first, the eyes, lips, and then I moved outwards. As you can see, I'm moving slowly towards the ears, hair. So why is that? Well, I think, in my opinion, the nose is like the center of the whole face of the portrait. So if you draw the nose or this area basically first, then you can draw the other things, eyes, ears, everything, with respect to the nose. You can draw them, you can see if eyes are 1 centimeter away or one part away, let's say, then the lips, let's say, are half of that. So no matter how big your portrait is going to be, what you are aiming for, you can just get the proportions right. And to make the one side first, left side first, let's say in this one, and then the right side, and then try to fit everything in between the left and right, or top and bottom. It's, in my opinion, I find that very tricky, and it doesn't always work. Tried it, but I didn't like it. So I like to go from in to out, basically in to out. You can see, remember like this if you ever forget. For beginners too, this advice is mostly for beginners, because as you go more into details and everything, you draw further, you practice regularly, and you improve a lot, you basically learn these things, I think. But I'm gonna save you some time and just gonna let you know that this is, but you don't really just listen to me. Try it, try both ways. Maybe you find the other way better, who knows, maybe you just find it better. So that can be like this too. And as you can see, that this picture I drew, it doesn't look exactly like my reference photo. Now, a lot of people I know are really fixed on grids. It's really promoted these days, but I just don't get it, honestly. Grids are nice. I can understand if someone is hiring you to draw them, or asking you to make a portrait or anything like this, and then maybe you want to get them their face right, to make sure that it looks like them. But to draw with the grids and everything, then it's like a photo basically. Then you can just take a photo and make a black and white print of it, and that's it. But if you draw with your own hands, and this way, when you draw, when you practice, then you will get better at it too, if you do it on your own. And then you will get closer and closer to the real picture, but there will always be some, it will always be a little bit different. And that is the human touch in it. That is the art of it. Otherwise, it's just, it's just a photo. Then it's not a drawing. So if it is a bit different, don't be shy about it. Don't be like, oh God, I cannot. Don't beat yourself up over it. Just draw it. Keep practicing, and honestly, if it is looking like this person, not 100%, but that's not the worst thing, in my opinion. I think you should just draw how you feel. You just with your feelings, with your talent, and just that's what art is all about. It should connect everyone. And I just love to draw. This was a really beautiful sketch. I really enjoyed it, and I must say I really enjoyed talking to all of you, and I had a really good time. So just keep watching and drawing. Have fun. That's the best thing, right? Alright, now time to go. Take care. See you in the next one. Bye bye.